Do you want to know how to dispute a transaction on your Chase application? Here is the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to open your Chase application and access your account by entering your credentials. And after that, navigate to the accounts section located at the bottom navigation. And once you're on the account section, you will see credit cards. Just click on it. And after you click the credit cards, you will see your transactions. And when you scroll down, you will see the see all transactions button. Just click on it for you to able to see all of your past transactions. And after that, select a specific transaction that you wanted to dispute. And after selecting, you will just scroll down on the transaction details and you will see a report problem button. You will just click on it for you to able to report a problem and to dispute a transaction. After that, you will be needing to select a reason for you to able to click next. And that's how you dispute a transaction on your Jace application.